Imagine owning a real estate investment property that not only grows in value and generates monthly passive income, but can also help you pay thousands of dollars less in taxes year after year. That's the power of depreciation. It's like your property's working double time to grow and to keep your wealth safe. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Tax strategies are just so darn boring, Walter. Well, it's true. Tax strategies are boring, but when you understand the concept that you're potentially saving thousands and thousands of dollars every year, it suddenly becomes extremely exciting. Today, we're uncovering the hidden gem in real estate investing: depreciation. It's not just a tax term, it's an important factor in real estate investing and a financial ally. Depreciation comes in on spot number 4 on our list for the top 5 reasons investing in real estate is the best strategy to achieve financial freedom. One of the major tax benefits when investing in real estate is depreciation. When you depreciate, you expense a portion of the value of the property. Saving thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars with a single property can be a game changer when investing in real estate. Coming up, we'll see how depreciation works, how to choose the best property to save you thousands of dollars in taxes, and stay tuned to the end to find out what mistakes to avoid. Also, if you like this type of content, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Simply said, depreciation is when the materials and the components that were used when constructing the house start to deteriorate over time. From the initial build of the structure, as time passes, these materials continue to decrease in value, leading to continued depreciation. This reduction in value not only lowers the building's overall worth, but also enables you to account for the depreciation as an expense. Simply said, depreciation is the reduction in value of the property. At first glance, when a property depreciates, the property's value on paper does lower, and it seems like it's a setback. But in the tax world, this depreciation can be a secret ally. Think of it as a cloud with silver lining. As your property's value decreases on paper, you might find yourself with some significant savings and a pleasant surprise at the end of the year. An important thing to note is that you cannot depreciate land. You can only depreciate the actual building, the physical assets that lose value with time. Think of depreciation as your property's annual thank you gift. Each year, it gives back in the form of tax savings. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Let's say that you buy a rental property for $500,000 and the building is worth $300,000. The IRS typically lets you depreciate this over 27 and a half years, meaning that you get a yearly deduction of about $10,900 every year. Imagine reducing your taxable passive income by that much every year. The better the condition of the structure, the more value the building has, the more that you can depreciate it. Don't make the mistake of overlooking the depreciation benefit and not factoring it in your investment analysis. Remember that depreciation is like a cherry on top, but it's a key element in maximizing your returns. Check out my other video on accelerated depreciation to find out how to accumulate tax savings even faster. With accelerated depreciation, you can actually compress the amount of depreciation into a handful of years instead of decades. Understanding depreciation can transform your investment strategy. It's not just about rental income or appreciation, it's about the overall picture and optimizing your tax benefits to enhance your overall returns. Depreciation in real estate is definitely a game changer. It's a strategic tool that can significantly boost your profitability over the years. Thank you for watching, and remember that there's always helpful resources in the description below. To learn more about the other benefits of real estate investing and financial freedom, make sure to check out my next video.